I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making caramel turtles. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Today, as I said, we're making caramel turtles. This is at the request of our compadre Vicky. It's perfect timing too, because I'm still trying to use up the soft caramel filling that we made back in the Scotch Mallow episode. So thanks for the suggestion, Vicky. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own caramel turtles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. For the soft caramel filling, you'll need 15 Kraft caramels, 1/4 cup of butter, and 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk. For the turtles, you'll need 9 pecan halves and 100 grams of milk chocolate chips or melting wafers. You'll also need a small saucepan, a spoon or spatula, a container or two for your caramel filling, something in which to melt your chocolate, and a cutting board or baking sheet lined with parchment. Okay, let's make some candy. In a small pan over medium heat, add 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk and 1/4 cup of butter. Stir until the butter has melted. Then add 15 Kraft caramels and turn the heat to medium-low. Stir this continuously so the caramels don't burn. When the caramels are fully melted, pour the mixture into some jars and set them aside to cool. Take some of the caramel, form it into a disc, and place it on the parchment. Add as many pecan halves as you'd like. I'm doing 3 here, but you can use 5 if you want it to look a little more like an actual turtle. You can even do 6 and go for the ninja throwing star. Once you've made as many as you'd like, put them in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Melt your wafers or temper your chocolate. Get the turtles out of the freezer and loosen them from the parchment. Take a turtle, pour some chocolate over the caramel, then place it back on the cutting board chocolate side down. Pour some more chocolate over the exposed caramel, trying to get full coverage. Let them sit until they're set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slanchiva. Oh yeah, snappy chocolate, chewy caramel, crunchy pecans, just a classic flavor that takes me right back to my childhood. You really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time.
Please stay tuned for a Randy Makes Candy public service announcement.
If you've watched many of the RMC episodes, you're probably aware of how much I use Silpat. I love Silpat as a replacement for wax paper or parchment. There's a place for both of those, but whenever I can, I'm going to use Silpat. Chocolate doesn't stick to it, it's reusable, so it's good for the environment. I'm just a big fan, and I highly recommend Silpat. But there's one thing that's very important to remember if you're going to use Silpat, and that's that it makes a lousy cutting board.